Hi friends, welcome to learnsub.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Nginx from source on FreeBSD. Nginx is a open source and high performance web server that delivers a static content by using system resources. It also hosts several highest traffic internet sites. Okay friends, now I am going to show you how to install Nginx from source on FreeBSD. Before installing Nginx, we have to install the dependency packages. This is the command to install the dependency packages. After installing dependencies, now we are going to download the Nginx package using this command. After downloading, now we are going to extract the downloader file using this command. After extraction, enter into the extracted directory. In here, list the directory. Now we are going to configure the Nginx. For configuring Nginx, you have to run the configuration script. While running a configure script, you have to set your own path for Nginx files. This is the command to configure. After configuring, now we are going to compile the configured files using a command make. After compiling, now we are going to install Nginx using a command make install. Now the installation is complete. Now check version of Nginx we have installed using a command nginx-v. It shows Nginx installed version 1.14.0. Now we are going to create a user Nginx using a command add user. Give your username Nginx, full name Nginx, and then give your essential details for adding a user. After creating a user, now we are going to change the ownership of the directory Nginx which we have installed Nginx. I have configured the Nginx in /etc/Nginx location, so I have to change the ownership using this command. After changing the ownership, now we are going to configure daemon for Nginx. For that, you have to create a new file Nginx in rc.d location. In the file, you have to fill these details for daemon. After that, save the file and exit from the file. After that, now we are going to enable the Nginx using this command. After enabling, now we are going to start the Nginx using a command service Nginx start. Now Nginx is started now. Check for a status. Nginx is running. To cross check it, open a browser and then give the URL as your machine IP or else localhost. It shows the welcome page of Nginx. This indicates that we have successfully installed Nginx from source. This is about the source installation of Nginx on FreeBSD. I hope this video will informative for you. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Linux Help. For further tutorial, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.